Hello and welcome back to homeschoolcurriculumcenter.com. We are your source for curriculum reviews and resources. We give you information on everything homeschool, from top curriculum choices to free curriculum options, as well as best online options and resources for every subject. So, welcome back. Today's resource is a math curriculum resource, and it is called Learn Math Fast. Learn Math Fast. And the website is literally learnmathfastbooks.com. So head on over there to their website. This curriculum is a seven workbook series. And they say it should only take 12 years to learn math. So they start from the very beginning of math, 2 plus 3. It goes all the way through algebra 1 and 2 by the time you reach level 7. So this is for learning the basic math facts all the way through high school geometry. High school students can complete these all 7 workbooks in less than 2 years. How about that? Even if you start these workbooks in middle school, they can start at the beginning level and go all the way through algebra 1 and 2 plus geometry before they graduate. So these books are best suited for older students, but they're written for all ages. And you can look at the reviews they have on Google and as well as their website here. There is no mention of grade levels in this curriculum. So it's just book levels 1 through 7. You start with the first book and you go through book 7. It has been recommended by these specialists here for dyslexia, dyscalculia, and dysgraphia. So that is great for any of those students who have any of those learning challenges there to help them through math as well. Every book includes lessons, worksheets, tests, and answers. The workbooks there is no color, it's printed in black and white. They're just designed just to teach that math and to teach it fast. So if you're teaching more than one kid, you can print the worksheets from their website instead of writing in the book. Also, if you feel your children need more practice, there are some supplemental worksheets that are available as well. If you're teaching a younger student, you probably should start with the volume 1 and kind of work your way from there. The lessons are very short. So short lessons, short worksheets, about 20 minutes a day, and then your math is done. All right. So it's pretty self-directing. A teacher's guide is not necessary. You just work through the book with your students. They do have a 30-day back, no questions asked, money back guarantee. All shipping is free in the U.S. I actually purchased my books from Amazon, but you can purchase from them or Amazon. Either one is fine. Let's take a look at what these books, what they contain each book. So here's the math curriculum they said that works for everyone. It's called the Learn Math Fast system. And in volume 1, that's your basic math. So that's how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, even with decimal points. So that's good. There gives you those basic 4 math operations all in one volume. Then when you go to their website, you can click on the actual book here to learn more about that particular guide. They do have a couple of helpful videos here that you can also look at those. So in the first volume, that's your 4 basic math operations there. Then in volume 2, they have learn how to add, subtract, multiply, divide fractions, mixed numbers, decimal numbers, and negative numbers. So that's all included there in volume 2, where you have your fractions, decimals, percentages, and integers. So that's a great guide there. Then volume 3 is where you enter into pre-algebra. This is how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions, mixed numbers, decimal numbers, and negative numbers. You're looking at the algebra method of doing that in volume 3 there. And so you continue to go here. There's volume 4, basic geometry. So you learn the basic geometry in about a month. How awesome is that? They do have some optional kits here that goes along with that. So you can look at those optional kits. It's sold separately. And so you can actually buy all 7 books together with the bookmark and the kit and smart cards for $250, or this is sold separately, so $24. Then on to volume 5, where they have algebra 1. This is where you learn how to solve those quadratic equations in about 3 months. How awesome is that? They go in more detail here. It tells you what you will learn. You probably want to look at the prerequisites to go through all the other 4 volumes before you begin this one, or be sure your child had a background in all these other areas before you head on to algebra 1. Volume 6 is algebra 2, so you learn algebra 2 in about 2 to 3 months, and then volume 7 is high school geometry, so you can learn geometry in about 2 to 3 months. So this is great if you want to do a quick overview of mathematics. It could be a summer workbook if you wanted to review math. It could be your main math curriculum. It is giving you the basics of math, all the way from, like I said, the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, all the way through fractions, percentages, decimals, onto your algebra 1, algebra 2, mixed numbers, fractions, that sort of thing, negative numbers, and then onto your geometry. So great option. great quick option as well. So definitely go take a look at their materials here. It is called learnmathfastbooks.com. They have a full math system here that helps your students learn math in a quick way. This is for students who maybe have gotten behind in math as well. This would be a great way to catch up. You can go through all the volumes there. They showed you this can be done in as little as 2 years. So it can be used as review, to catch up, to teach. All those are wonderful options with Learn Math Fast. So go take a look if you need an option for a math curriculum for your children. All right, remember to head also to Homeschool Reading Resources, where you have lots of resources here. There's also a downloadable planner that includes daily schedules and chore charts. For every month of the year, there's a planner there. It also includes monthly planners for each month, includes weekly planners, a goal tracker. This is awesome. And this can even be purchased for your students, like high school students who are needing help with planning and goal setting, habit tracking. They also have sample schedules there. As I mentioned, chore charts, there are note pages, to-do lists for each page of the month. So this is an awesome, awesome option if you need a quick, downloadable, easy access planner there. It's available for immediate download at homeschoolreadingresources.com. So head on over there and grab your copy today. All right. Thank you for joining us. Remember to share this video with other homeschooling families so they can have this information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Check out the description box for lots of helpful links, and happy homeschooling.